Meet the BBT Eco Truck, the world's first autonomous and amphibious vehicle that can identify and collect plastic from the harshest terrains, be it riverbanks, muddy swamps, or even the ocean. The BBT Eco Truck, with the help of its large, tubeless, super low-pressure wheels and a rugged body, is able to move on every possible terrain you can think of. Until now, sensors had to be millimeters close to objects or even touching to recognize whether it's plastic. But with the help of deep learning and proprietary data analysis techniques, the BBT Eco Truck can achieve this feat from distances that were never possible before. BBT is here to save the world. It's big brain time.
Our rivers and oceans today are overrun with plastic. And what's worse is that there is more being added every day that the beaches are open. Furthermore, plastic from the oceans often washes up ashore due to water currents and needs to be cleaned up. The COVID-19 pandemic gives us a unique opportunity to address this situation. Beaches are closed and there is no coastal tourism. There is only one condition: automation is mandatory. Enter the BBT Eco Truck, a completely automated truck designed to traverse beaches and marshlands, identify and collect plastic, and deposit it for proper disposal. The BBT truck is incredibly intuitive and is a solution hand-tailored for this problem. So what design aspects make the BBT so effective? Well, starting from the inside, the BBT truck is fit with a lithium battery at its base. A battery was chosen over solar power because the truck should be prepared to function in places that aren't so sunny as well as during the night. Once the COVID-19 pandemic is over and beaches are open again, the BBT truck should not be rendered useless. Since beaches are normally open during the day, any cleanup truck would need to operate during the evening or during the night. A solar powered truck fails to meet this criteria, so a lithium battery was accordingly chosen. The location of the battery is also carefully planned. Since the battery represents a large portion of the mass of the truck, it is placed at the base, above the tires. This is to lower the center of mass of the truck and decrease the chances of the truck getting turned on its back. Beaches and marshlands are nothing if not unstable, so this was an absolute priority. Sensors. The cameras are the first of the sensors on the truck. The D6T thermal camera is used to classify the objects in front of the truck into living and non-living. We wanted to be extremely conscious of the washed up sea life on beaches, and the truck will steer clear of any organism with a heat signature. The normal camera is used to determine any obstacles and click pictures of the plastic before picking it up. All pictures can be geolocated and therefore the truck can effectively determine the areas of the beach with the most plastic. The cameras send the picture of the object through an algorithm which determines if it is plastic or not, and the truck acts according to the results. Different surfaces have different disparities and systematic errors while calculating the distance using ultrasonic and IR sensors. These disparities at different distances will be fed into the deep learning AI algorithm, while the actual distance will be measured using LiDAR and ST's long distance TOF. The algorithm will analyze the disparities between the actual distance and the IR and ultrasonic readings to tell which material it is. The truck is fitted with other sensors to ensure smooth operations, such as the CPI silent sensors, which determine when tires have alignment issues or have varying tire pressure. The BBT truck will operate smoothly and effectively collect plastic without needing to make repetitive journeys. So coming to the arms, we at first thought the simplest way to collect plastic was a conveyor belt. However, our results and research proved it to be incredibly ineffective and unable to get close enough to the ground to pick up smaller or flatter pieces of plastic. The arms of the truck, with the attached suction, are able to pick up vastly varying plastic waste and can easily access spaces between or on rocks that the truck itself cannot go to. The arms are weighted so that they don't cause an overwhelming forward turning motion and the truck stays stable, even while holding heavy pieces of plastic. To wrap up, the material we used to encompass the whole truck is CFRP, carbon fiber reinforced plastic. The material is 2/3 the weight of aluminium for a structure of equal strength, water resistant, and is highly resistant to corrosion. It helps reduce the weight of the vehicle and prevent turnover and makes the machine long lasting. The BBT truck is intuitive and futuristic. It is the thing needed to keep the beaches plastic free for all the coming future generations.